les interjections. Okay, so when we're talking about les interjections, actually, une interjection can also be une onomatopée. We are basically talking about all these little sounds or words that people can produce when they want to express certain feelings. Okay, so and of course they are different in all the languages. So we'll see now how we do express la douleur in French. Okay, so here is the translation, and well, here are the options. The first one will be aïe, the second one oui, oh, then it can be aïe aïe aïe. Okay, so remember aïe, oui, aïe aïe aïe. When we're talking about le dégoût, so disgust, in that case, we can, well, actually use this burk or then pois. Okay, so burk, pois. Then l'incrédulité. Okay, l'incrédulité. Well, tu parles would be an option. Then mon œil, it's actually quite funny, my eye, mon œil, or then oui, sûrement. And this one is quite funny as well because basically it's yes for sure, yes of course, but then in that case, of course, you want to say that you don't believe this person. Okay, so whether tu parles, or then mon œil, or then oui, sûrement. Then l'admiration, oh, or then wow, super, top, or then trop fort. Of course, in this category, well, it does evolve, and probably there will be some new expressions in the coming months or years, but then these ones are actually the basics that you can find. So, oh, wow, super, top, trop fort. Okay, so let's see now. L'indifférence. Bof is a common one. Bof. Then le soulagement. First one would be ouf, and then the second one would be enfin. Okay, so ouf, enfin. And finally, la satisfaction. Très bien, extra, super, parfait. And it's exactly the same as I said previously. So basically, this category evolves all the time. So these ones are the basics ones. And then, you can hear some new ones from time to time. Okay, so but then, très bien, extra, super, or then parfait. So the important thing when we're talking about les interjections, it's quite good to know them. Just know exactly according to the context that you are in or the persons you are talking to or talking with, if you can use them or not, because they are not that formal. So if it's a formal context, then maybe it would be better not to use them.